Hello. Guys, am I audible? Please comment. Hello everyone. Am I audible? Okay. So hello everyone. Welcome to the live session of our Azure DevOps. In today's session, we will we will explore how to manage work items and set up a build pipelines to create a .war or .jar file using our Java Maven project, the Hello World. Okay. This session is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their understanding of DevOps practices and automation. Okay, so my name is Jamin Rawal, and I am excited to have you all present here today. Okay, so let's quickly go over by what we will cover today. So, for our agenda for today includes an introduction to work items and Azure boards. Okay, we will see this into the deep knowledge. Okay. Then on live demonstration of how to manage work items using our Hello World app Java Maven project. Okay. Then we will see setting up a build pipeline to generate a .war or .jar file for our project. Then if you have any doubt or any query, so you can ask me in comment section. Okay. So let's dive right in. So first of all, what are work items? So let's talk about work items. Okay. So work items are the backbone of project management in Azure DevOps. They represent various types of work that need to be done, helping you track requirements, tasks, and bugs efficiently. Okay. So stay tuned in this session for get understanding of work items. Okay. So here are the different types of work items you will encounter. So first is epics are large features that may span multiple sprints of releases. Okay. Then second is features break down epics into manageable parts. Okay. Then third is user stories. Is includes capture functionality from the respective of end users. Then we have also tasks work item in our Azure DevOps. Tasks are individual pieces of work required to complete a user story. Then bugs. Bugs are defects that needs to be addressed. Okay. So by managing these items effectively, you can ensure your project is organized and that everyone is on the same page. Okay. So let's see the demo for this managing work items in Azure DevOps. Okay. So let's switch over the Azure DevOps portal. See how we can manage work items for our Hello World project. Okay, so here is our Azure DevOps portal. In this, we have make one project S3 Cloud of Live. We have make it in made in our previous session, so you can see the previous session. Okay, so now in this left side, you can see boards. So navigate to the boards. Okay, so in the boards I am going to create a new work item. Okay, so here we will create first epic work item. Okay, so click on the epic. So we will provide some details, including the API. The API should return hello world when accessed. Okay, so here I will giving the title for this epic. So just hello epic. Okay, so I have give the name hello epic. Then here our area. So our area will be S3 Cloud of Live, which is our project. Okay. Then iteration in the iteration. we will select S3 cloud of live print one. Okay. And here state to do. Then we will click on the save. So now go to the work items, and in this we can see we have made one work item which is epic. So we have made the epic. Okay. So after this, click on the hello epic, and here you can see related work, and in this bottom side, add link, and click on the new item. Now we will make a one of child of this epic. So here we will select the child. Okay. Then work item type is issue. Okay. Then we will give the name of this issue. So let's give the name hello world issue. Okay. Then click on the add link. Now here you can see new issue. Okay, is created for us, and here is the title is hello world issue. Now again our state will be to do. Then area will be S3 cloud of hyphen live, and iteration sprint one. Okay. Now simply save and close. Then we will go again on the work item. Here you can see the work item. We have made the one issue which is a hello world issue. Okay. Now go to the this issue. Okay. And now we will create one task for this issue. Okay. Which which will done our deployments work or another things for our project. Okay. So here you can also add your team members. Okay. So I have already one, which is me. So then we will see here to do list. Okay. Now in this related work, click on the add link, and create new item. Before this create, you can see here priority. So if your work is high priority, so you can select one. Okay. Then click on the add link, and click on new item. Now we will make one child for this issue. So and here click on the task. So we have the one task for this issue. So let's give the name hello world task. Okay, then we will click on the add link. So here we have also new task, which is hello world task. Okay, here you can see to do S3 cloud of live, and S3 cloud of live sprint one. Okay, here we will give the priority one. Now we can also give the description for this, and discussion. If you have one team, so you can give discuss, you can discuss here another items. Okay, another things you can discuss here for this project. Okay. Now click on the save and close. But here you can see deployment. You can see here pipeline or repos section also. Okay. Then click on the save and close. Also save and save the changes. Okay. Here you can see our hello world issue, 10 tasks, and epic is created for us. Okay. So from these steps you can made this work items. Okay. You can also give this a task or maybe another things to this work items. Okay. Here I have already only one Java Maven project which is a hello world. So I have not another task for this. So I have made this default work items. Okay. Now let's see build pipelines. Okay, so create .jar and .war file using the build pipelines. Okay, so build pipelines automate the process of compiling and packaging your application code. For our Java and project, we will set up a build pipeline that generates .war or .jar file. We have already made one course on Azure DevOps, so you can check out that on our channel. Okay, I have gave the all instruction or all this Azure DevOps in that course. Okay, so you can check. So now let's understand what is a build pipeline. Okay, so this file is essential for deploying your application to environments like Tomcat, JBoss, or any Java-based server. Okay, .jar file is very important for our Java and project. Okay, so let's see the demo how to create a build pipeline for our Java and project to create .war or .jar file. So let's jump into the demo and create build pipeline for our project. So here you can see the pipeline section. We have already created one pipeline for our Hello World project in the previous session. So if you have not seen this that previous session, so first of all check that and then you can jump on this session. Okay. Now click on the new pipeline. So we will here select our source. Okay, for our project code. So we have store our code in Azure repos. In this repos section, you can see our code. Okay, so we will select Azure repos. Now we will select our repository, and here we will select Maven because we have a Java Maven project. Okay, here is the we have one YAML file. Okay, but we will make some changes in this YAML file because we need our to .jar or .war file for our project. Okay, so I will change this YAML file. Okay, here you can see our YAML file. Okay, in this YAML file you can see trigger which is redirect to the main. Okay, so this configure tells pipeline to clean the project and package it into a .war or .jar file. Okay, then you can see pull. Here we will use Ubuntu machine. Okay, then here we can see the all the steps for our project. Okay, form.xml. Then our goal is clean package to make our .war file. Here you can see inputs, contents, target into the war file. Okay, now just click on the save and run. This will start the build process. You will see logs for of each steps as it compiles and package your project. Okay, so now click on the save and run. Now you can see our job is started. So it may take a few time because this will run many commands or code for our project. Okay, so our job is starting. So wait for a while. It may take a few seconds. Okay. Once the build complete, you will find your .war or .jar file as part of the build artifacts. Okay, then you can download also that file and use it for deployment in a release pipeline later. Okay, so in our next live session, we will see how to create release pipeline using that this jar or war file. Okay, so our job is done. So simply back. Okay, so now you can see the our job is done. Okay, guys, and here we can see the changes. Set up a CI with Azure pipelines. Then also okay. Here we can see the our pipeline status. Okay, it's publish our .jar file into the artifacts. Okay, so we will see in the next session how to download that that jar file for our release pipeline. Okay, now in the job, mm, in this pipeline. Okay, we will go to the this our pipeline and sorry guys, this pipeline. Okay, here you can see our related artifacts is showing zero. Okay, so now it is showing our zero. Okay, because we have not created any .war or .jar file in this pipeline. Okay, so we have make some changes for this. So in this next in that next session, we will make some changes to download that artifact uh, in our jar file. Okay, so this setup is crucial because it allows you to automate the build process every time changes are made to your code base, ensuring that your application is always ready for deployment. Okay, so in the conclusion, in today's session is a conclusion. To wrap up, we have covered two essential aspects of Azure DevOps. First, we learned about work items and how they help manage and track project process. Next, we explore how to set up a build pipeline to automatically create .work and or .jar file for our Java and project. Okay, these skills are we, which are for any DevOps professional as they streamline project management and automate essential tasks. Now, now to take your you can ask me the questions in comments. I will give the answer of that questions in the next session. Okay. So thank you all for joining this live session on Azure DevOps. I hope you found it helpful and excited to apply this concept in your projects. Have a great day. Okay, thank you.